Hello again. It's that wonderful time of day when DHL brings by a box, and let's see what's inside. It has to do with fitness, that much I know. Let's get to it. Here we go. And here it is, another box. Well, a bag, but inside a box. The Oura Balance Black. Improve your sleep, understand your body, transform your health. Advanced technology monitors your sleep, readiness, and activity, calculating a holistic picture of your health. Oura learns the rhythms of your body to improve you with the insights and guidance you need to own your inner potential. Auraring.com. I hear something inside. Oh, it just falls off. Wow, it's really light. Let's try it on. Bummer, it does not fit. I should have ordered a bigger one. Oh, I thought for sure I was an 8.5. Well, this is going to complicate things. I should have ordered a bigger size. Well, that's complicated. Let's see what else is in the box. So it looks like the packaging is a USB-C charger. Nice. Manual stuff, which I'll read. And inside this should be just pop off. There we go. So nice. So this is the charger. It was weird how it was loose in the packaging, but it's really light. I thought it was going to be much heavier, and it looks like I'm going to be wearing a pinky ring because that's the only finger it fits on. It kind of fits on this one, but really tight. So whatever your ring size is initially, order another half size up. I thought for sure I was 8.5, so I ordered a 9. I should have ordered a 9.5. Bummer. Well, we'll charge this and then I'll give you my initial thoughts. But the packaging's nice, very simplistic. I would probably suggest maybe something on top to keep it secure because I could hear it rattling around inside, but that's okay. Interesting. I am really surprised how light it is. I thought it would be much heavier. But the overall design is nice. Again, the one I ordered is this is a US 9 size, black, and where else did it say? Has Bluetooth, assembled in Estonia. Okay, that's nice. You know what? Forget charging it. Let's just see if I can connect. I already created an account. So we'll open up the Oura app, which is free to download. Confirms my height. How's it going? Take a moment to reflect on your sleep, lifestyle, and what you'd like to achieve. This will help us guide you in the right direction in the future. You can skip questions or change your answers in the My Profile. Continue. What do I want? Choose the most important thing for you right now. Well, I want to improve my athletic performance. Let's go with that one. And you can choose be more, you can read those. Continue. How's your sleep at the moment? I would have to say the middle one. I think I could sleep better, but I am somewhat tired. Do any of the following affect your sleep right now? I work late, I have small kids, I share my bed with someone, I travel frequently. I'm just gonna say, I've felt a bit stressed lately. Oura wants to send you notifications. Aura's notifications will remind you to move around frequently and to charge your ring when necessary. I'm gonna say yes. Allow notifications. Keep your personal data and sleep details in sync with Google Fit. You can change these settings at any time. Connect to Google Fit. I'm going to say no thanks, because otherwise it's going to conflict with the data on there. Import workouts. No thanks for now. Connect to ring. Grant access. Allow using the app. Searching for my ring. And it should just connect. Now, a lot of times the chargers do force you to connect it to the charger, so maybe that's something we're going to have to do. No rings found. Well, looks like we need a charger. Be right back. Okay, got my portable charger here. So we'll connect this to a low power outlet and plug this in. It's not glowing or anything. There we go. A little light on there. Guess it only goes on one way. So now let's try to connect. Yay! So this is the Balance Black Ring. Connect. Take a screenshot of that. Welcome on board. Your Oura Ring is ready to track your sleep and activities as soon as you put it on your finger. Let's get started. Download a new feature. Okay. Explore moment. Oh, that's right. Yeah, this is kind of a relaxation feature that they implemented. Enhance your focus and boost your recovery. All right, cool. Take a moment. Ring firmware update available. Yeah, this is pretty standard. Firmware couldn't be updated because your ring's battery level is too low. Please charge your ring to at least 50% and try again. All right. So I'm guessing if I click on the 3 bars, settings, Google Fit, where do I see the battery life? There we go. Ring connected, 46%. Oh, you can put it in airplane mode. Nice. Airplane mode disables all radio transmission from the ring and causes the ring to lose connection to the app. To turn airplane mode off, connect the ring to a charger and wait for the app and ring to connect. Airplane mode stays on for 7 days at a time. Okay, let's not enable that. So right now it's charging. There's no lights or anything. So if I take this off and put it on my finger, kind of thought it would just kind of work. Well, I'll play around with this, but first impressions, I like it. It's not much bigger than my wedding ring. I mean, it's not that thick. If it did fit on my finger, I would like it a bit more. Yeah, this is a size 9, and it looks like I would need at least a 9.5 or 10. I can see why someone would spend the extra 100 to get the metallic finish. I'm gonna guess this is gonna scratch pretty easily. So we'll let this charge for a while longer, and then I'll come back and give you my full first impressions after I get to use the thing. Okay. And here it is in real life, the Oura ring. It's just outside watering the grass. A little dry there, as you can see. And yeah, for one reason or another, it only fits on my pinky ring because I ordered the wrong size. But yeah, I've been wearing it now constantly for about 5-6 hours. And I like it. I do wish it fit my middle finger or ring finger. I'll try again later. Maybe my hands will shrink sometime tomorrow. Let's take a look at the app. Take a look at the Oura app here. In response to COVID-19, UCSF Health and Oura team are teaming up to study whether Oura can improve signals that predict illness symptoms. More about that later. So basically, the app has little widgets, cards. Here's my activity progress. Now, I would think that if you click on that, it would take you to activity, but you have to manually go there. And then if you scroll down, it shows daily movement, high, medium, low, any workouts, and then my progress towards calories and whatnot. So not much in the app so far. I mean, I just unboxed this earlier today, but I am going to wear it to bed tonight and see what it tells me about sleep. But I did do one of the take a moment exercises, and that was kind of cool. It was just for 4 minutes, and it showed me a resting heart rate of 61, so that's good. But initial thoughts, first impressions, it's really light. And if you're wondering what size your ring is, well, order the sizing kit. It's free of charge, or go to a jewelry store and get measured. Otherwise, you'll end up wearing it on your pinky. But here, let me take it off for a second. And there it is. It's super light. I don't even feel it on my finger. But my first impressions, overall, I like it. I like the technology. I like what it's going to tell me throughout the day. And I'm really curious to see what it's like working out with this device. And yeah, and what kind of data it's going to provide. So we'll have more in a few more days, and I'll do a follow-up video. Thanks for watching. That's all I have for now about the Oura ring. And I'll see you again real soon. Goodbye.